Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I will show you how to add link to a TikTok bio. So let's start it. So first, let's open up TikTok. Tap on the profile icon on the lower right corner of your screen. So you will need a business account to add a link to your bio. To do this, tap on the three bars on the upper right corner, tap on Settings and Privacy, and tap on Account. On the next menu, tap on Switch to Business Account. Now from here, you can just tap on Next. Choose a category and tap Next. So here you can add your email account, but let's skip this for now. And here you can add in your bio. So when you're done with all of this, now you are all set. But the thing with TikTok is you cannot add a link to your bio if you don't have at least 1,000 followers. So you need to get 1,000 followers first before you can add a link to your bio. But anyway, I hope this video helps out you guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.